Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with extended running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, mud flaps on the front and rear, vent shades on the windows, and a grid plate lined box, which is pretty nice too. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here for added security. In the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. And now looking into the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power telescoping Trilito mirrors and a partially power adjustable driver's seat with power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 128,568 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, diff gauge, diff status, tire pressures, and then you can go into your trip and fuel. So trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, as well as Bluetooth and USB capable, so you have plenty of options there. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, hazards, and hill descent assist. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Moving down further, you have another 12 volt with your USB, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears with your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath with flip out cup holders, which have been cut to accommodate this radio mount here, but you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. Still have a massive compartment in there as well. But actually, last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.